Testimony just wrapping up in the trial of the former correction officer accused of not stopping the beating of an inmate. The jury getting its first evidence after this morning's opening statements. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan joining us live. He's outside the Oneida County Courthouse for us tonight. Andrew, some bickering in court today?
Christy, the Onondaga County District Attorney, the special prosecutor on this case, was used to, as he always is, used to bringing to court his theatrical style, and he used that today in opening statements. We don't see it a lot even in Syracuse because cameras are so rarely allowed in a trial, but we got to see him in action today, and yes, that theatrical style at times was challenged by the defense.
They said, well, you know, you can't legislate morality. And some professor will nod his head as if he said something profound. Well, that's false. That's exactly what we do as a society.
Objection. Yes, the jury is not making a moral judgment.
Judge, I will cover that in my opening statement.
You're not making that type of opening statement. Counsel.
The lawyers were then called up to the judge's bench, which likely resulted in a scolding, and so opening statements were able to continue. When the DA used the term geniuses, it was because the uniform-worn cameras worn by the officers were recording, and in this case shows Michael Fisher's exact view of the beating, which Fitzpatrick will argue makes him aware of the violence that he should have been trying to stop. The defense argues Fisher took orders from his supervisors in the room. In this case, didn't take any orders because the supervisors didn't give them, but that means that Fisher shouldn't be held accountable. So opening statements wrapped up, and then some testimony happened today. Tomorrow, another day of testimony. It's not clear exactly how long this trial will go. The prosecution could wrap up its side of arguing tomorrow. The defense may choose to call its own witnesses, but the defense in the October trial chose no witnesses, so this very well could be going to closing arguments tomorrow, if not Thursday. Christy.
Andrew, with our
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.